Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday. My name is Derek, and today we're going to be going over some of the things that you might have missed from last week. This way, if you did miss out on something, you'll know what to go back and look at. Let's get into the video. Now, the first thing that I want to bring to your attention is the new tools and equipment that came out. For example, the pre-cut thermal pads, 6x6x1mm 100-piece set, and the 12x12x1mm 100-piece set. This will allow you to put thermal pads on different sizes of ICs that need to have that heat regulation, maybe after you've reworked it, for example. The iBridge A3 Lightning and USB-C port diagnostic tester. I'm excited for this one. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see it demoed. Supporting both Lightning and USB interface devices. And the LT2 DC power supply with mount battery connectors, compatible for the iPhone 6 through the 14 series. If you do motherboard work and you need something that will give you kind of that analog and a power supply with a clean stream of the precise amount of power that you need to the motherboard so it doesn't loop or anything like that, this is what you're looking for. And something that I haven't played around with yet, but I'd like to, is the D224 Pro Oscilloscope Voltmeter by Sunshine. So let me know as well if this is something that you'd like to see demoed in a video. Along with the U-MTK5 BGA reballing stencils, and the 4-in-1 mid-frame reballing platform compatible with the iPhone 16 series. Like always, I'm sure there's going to be some type of failure with the iPhone 16 series that will require this mid-frame reballing platform, like every single other series, if that's the type of board work that you do. One other cool thing was the price drop on the Casper tempered glass. As you can see, the price for the 13 and 14 series have been slashed significantly, so definitely check out those prices and get yourself some tempered glass because it makes a really good stocking stuffer, and as we come closer to Christmas, that's something that you can advertise for. Something to mention as well is the biggest holiday promotion for the iFixit tools and toolkits all the way through the 12th of December. So only 3 more days to take advantage of these deals. So definitely go and check those out. These kits are great. Any of you that have had them, you know what I'm talking about. And if you missed any of last week's videos, let me quickly recap what they were. On Tuesday, we covered a video from the channel The Coder, in which he showed us how to replace a damaged connector from Tech Damage. He does mainly console repairs on his channel, but if you haven't taken a look at it, go take a look at that video so you can get an idea of what to expect, and also check out his channel as well. On Wednesday, we took a look at an iPad Air 2 that had somebody attempt the charge port repair, and they completely botched it. So I went through the process of showing how to fix all of the damaged pads and bring the iPad back to life and from damage of this severity. You guys really liked Thursday video where I was looking at an iPhone 13 Pro Max. We were doing a housing and a screen repair, and the part that I wanted to focus on was how to do the IC transfer of the display. And I tried to break it down in a very simple way, showing you how smooth it can actually be once you've done it enough times. So definitely check out that video if that's something that you've been interested in getting into, transferring over the display IC to that little tag-on flex that comes with the displays so that you can see how to do it and see if it's something that you want to try. In Friday's video, we were taking a look at using the portable soldering station, the iFixit portable soldering station, and I was demonstrating how to fix a bunch of pulled pads on a LG Ultrafine 4K display motherboard, which has the tendency to have a failure with the USB Thunderbolt ports. So I was showing how to fix the damage on one of those motherboards, and at the same time getting a good feel for what this type of soldering iron can handle. So definitely check out that video. And I found that kit to be great, especially as a kind of like a beginner soldering iron. And I gave my feedback on what I would like to have seen different with that kit as well. So definitely check out that video. As always, I appreciate your feedback. Let me know in the comments below if there's something that you'd like to see in a future video, whether it's a product or a repair. I'll see what I can do to make it happen. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.